Good day, employer. My name is Caro Consad, 35 years old, from Tuguegarao City, Cagayan, Philippines. I am married and I have three loving daughters, ages 16, 13, and 3. I am a ex-abroad from Amman, Jordan for 4 years as a domestic helper. But my main priority is taking care of two kids with disabilities, age 2 years old boy and 10 years old girl. Feeding them, helping them to taking a bath, play with them, and tutoring. And I'll do the house chores like basic cooking for the kids, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and many more. To my future employer, I'm looking forward to work to you soon, and I promise to be a flexible, respectful, hardworking, and trustworthy employee. Thank you and have a nice day.